welcome back and welcome if you're new. I'm going to plan today for the 27th of January to the 2nd of February, and this is the Hemlock and Oak B5 Minimal Planner. And I'm actually going to use my February subscription. This is the planner subscription from Hubman and Shopgirl in order to plan this week. So let's take a look at what it comes with and then we'll get started with our layout. So the theme is perfect breakfast. So our speciality item this month is what they're calling washi flakes. So it's pre-cut little washi stickers and it's little eggs, and the cat face is the yolk. And then these are 2 die cuts this month. So we have a stack of pancakes with little faces and some bacon, eggs, and then you get 3 larger sticker sheets, pan, cats and waffles. Good meowing. I love the wee coffee and tea cups, and the milk is really cute, and the to-go cup, very good. And then avocado toast, please. And then you get a journaling card with it, which is a little breakfast table scene with all the various breakfast items. So here we go. Full boxes on sheet 1. And then sheet 2. Sheet 3. Sheet 4. Sheet 5. Oh, that's different. Normally you would get doodles here, but that's extra little day headers, days of the week. That's handy. And then of course your usual days of the week sheet on sheet 6. I think I'm actually going to use these for the weather. That's very handy. Okay, so let's set up our layout and then we will get to planning.
That I can't seem to find. When I go to reach it, just leaves my mind. Waking with a note. How could a poem hold the way I see your soul?
And then I'm gonna pop the weekend banner down here. We're in the middle of Storm Éowyn at the minute. So if you hear any random wind howling noises, that's what it is. Oh dear, it's a red level. I don't remember there ever being a red level over here, to be honest. It's always like yellow or even amber. But the wind was pretty bad last night. I woke up, I had a really weird dream last night, and it was like, it started off as something completely different, but it ended up by, I was being chased by this man that whenever his hands touched you, like stuck to you, and you had to really struggle to get them off. But as soon as you managed to get it off and ran, he would like run really, really fast at you again. Anyway, don't ask me why I was dreaming that, but it woke me up and it was like kicking in my sleep. But see, as soon as I woke up then, I could hear the winds, because when I'm sleeping, I'm a really deep sleeper. It takes a lot to wake me up. But getting to sleep, I need the quiet, if that makes sense. And I just could not get back to sleep again and lay and listened to the howling winds. Anyway, down at the coast, I'm sure they'll have it worse when they're near the ocean. It has started to die down a little bit compared to what it was last night. Anyway, right, so we're on week 5. This is a Muji gel pen in 0.5. And then I'm going to do one of the little vinyls. I think I'll do the pancake and then do the weather underneath. And then I'm not going to do what I did here and put everything down first and then squeeze the days in. I'm going to do this first so I have plenty of space. So we'll do a weather header actually. Oh, I don't know if you can hear that, but that's rather strong. And I'm looking at a tree right outside my house that is blowing every shape. Let's do the little oranges, cats. And then label. Let's do the strawberry cat. And write weather. And then I can do my Monday, Tuesday, etc. So I'll use these little squares that are pre-printed, I think, to help me space out, because I have all this room as well, so I have plenty of room to put it in. I'm going to put these down, and then I'm going to use, before I forget, the Unipin fine liner in dark grey in 0.1 to draw my lines to separate the days. So let's do that.
Into a cold and step outside. A dark and quiet road appears out of the smoke. It leads me to a valley, cedar trees and pines.
Normally I only take those lines down for the start of the week and then leave this gap for the weekend, but I decided just to go the whole way along. And then I'm going to put, where is it, this washi directly underneath.
Does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow.
I think I'll just keep this one for wherever I need it, rather than just putting it in now and then ending up regretting it because I have no space for what I need. Okay, this is turning out really well. Something very different. Anyway, right, now Tesco's at 12. Let's find a little label. I'll do this yellow egg. And then leave out bins and which ones there are. Oh, I didn't leave space for my socials. You silly girl. I'm going to put them on the sundae. So I'm going to do these croissants and just put one there, one above it, and then a label, and just hope I have enough room on the sundae for everything else. Sorted. Now, where was I? Yes. So I'm going to put a little shopping trolley just above this here. And then the bins, for leave out bins, let's do just a plain box. And then a little emoji carrying a little smelly bag of food waste. And then I have a Zig Clean Colour Dot in 201 Pale Rose. 3D dots. I can do my dots here. And a little Hubman and Shubgirl Trash Day icon. Alright, nails on Thursday. I'm going out to visit my mum and dad tomorrow. I'm really hoping that storm is long gone by then. Although looking out, it does seem to be starting to die down. We're just not used to weather like that over here. If you live in countries that have tropical storms and like really bad hurricanes and stuff, I feel your pain. I'm sure you guys are just used to it, like, but that would scare the life out of me. Nails at 12:30. I remember being in Florida. We were staying on International Drive, and one minute it was as sunny as anything, and then the next minute it just started lashing. And we are used to that because it rains all the time here out of nowhere. But I mean, chucking it down, like rain I'd never seen. Like if you walked from the shop to the car, you were soaked to the skin. And it's just really stuck in my mind because I'd never seen rain that heavy in my life. And it was crazy. All the weather seems to be up the left everywhere, to be honest. Is it true that you guys had snow in Florida? Like, is that normal? I didn't think you guys got snow. I could have swore I saw a picture of someone that I follow on YouTube saying that they had snow, playing in the snow, and they're in Florida. Maybe I'm just getting confused. Anyway, right, so Sunday is my mum's birthday. So let's get a nice little box for that. I think we're going to do something on Saturday, but it hasn't been 100% confirmed, so I'll not put anything in. And then I'll write that in. And I have a little Hubman and Shubgirl cake from their birthday range. I also actually have a Manny sticker with Shubgirl. I'll put that aside there. Oh, the wind's starting up again. Sorry, you didn't join my plan with me to get a running commentary on the weather. I can't help it. Anything that's out of the ordinary like that. Mum's birthday. There. If we do something, I can write it there and the cake can cover both of them. Yes, so the last thing then is to update the groceries. And I hope I have not much else. Maybe that's a sign that I need to take it easy on Sunday and have a rest day, because I won't fit anything else in. Put this here and do this Fox and Pip Girl right beside it, and then write in update groceries to update the app. Did you hear? I saw on Facebook the other day that they're releasing it's called espresso version of this. It's like a dark brown, and it has a bronze, like metallics. What are they called? Like hardware? I don't know. I'd be really tempted to get it. I haven't actually been writing very much in this, to be honest. This is a TWSBI Eco something or other. I can't remember the exact name of it. I'll write it up there. And I do love it. I love the feel of writing with it, but I just haven't wrote very much in it, to be honest. That's another thing that Hemlock and Oak are thinking of bringing out. Well, they're not thinking of bringing out, they are bringing out a paper that's more fountain pen friendly. This is supposed to be fountain pen friendly, but only for like extra fine, and I think maybe fine, but this is a medium. But anyway, that's a bit of a side note, but I was just saying, because I saw that out of the corner of my eye, that I'll be really tempted to get the espresso one and then use it with the coffee bean ink from Coffee Monsters. Go. That's us all finished for the week and set up. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. I enjoyed hanging out with you. And take care, and I'll speak to you really soon. Bye!